streaming. That might be it. That might be it. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. There it is. Yeah. Good morning. Oh my god, that was exhausting. It just took me forever to figure that out. All right, cool. Let's get into it, guys. We got Aaron in the background. You can see him wandering around back there. You want to pop in, say hi?
What's up? What's up?
Let's go. We're gonna get some trading going on. I'm actually currently in a Matic short right now. I didn't tell you guys because it's a little bit of a gamble, but let's get some stuff going. How is everyone? How was the weekend? Tell Aaron my belly is bigger. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I'm going straight back to my. Oh. Yeah, so everything's been falling off a cliff again. Still, nothing's changed. Everything just continues to fall. When I saw that Bitcoin was getting rejected back here the other day, I entered into a short on Matic because Matic looked weak as shit, and we're up a little bit. We're not up a ton, but we're up a little bit. I scared Aaron off with the technical talk. I think I honestly kind of FOMO'd in. I entered like right back here. So we're up just a very small amount right now. Tell him to stop. I'm getting insecure. Should I take my shirt off? It's too early for me to be acting like that. It's too early. So let me see. We're on Bing X, and I'm honestly really enjoying Bing X. Yeah, I'm up 20 bucks on the short, so it's not like we're up a shit ton of money right now, but we're up a little bit. I think it's up 8.5%. I went in with a quarter of my account because it was kind of that gamble, and I didn't know how it was going to play out. It's playing out decently right now. It did not play out nicely when we had that spike. I was down a little bit, but we survived. We survived. Do not restarting YouTube. Sheet. Okay, cool. So, let's just mess around with the charts. I don't know if I'll be able to go live this upcoming week because we're going down to a conference in Miami and I won't have access to a computer. I'm going to try and go live probably on TikTok as much as I can to make up for it. And then I'll keep you guys posted in the Discord if I enter any trades. But we're going to have to see because I'm not really privy to the schedules as much as I would like to be. So just looking at the Bitcoin daily chart right here, I might lock in this Matic short because I don't want to have to be thinking about it. We're coming into this area of contention once again. This spot that's been a hot area since the mid-August. Plus we had some time back here bouncing off of it a bunch. So this might be an area where we bounce if we're going to continue up higher. I am biased right now and I think we will continue lower. I think Bitcoin's going to have a nice leg down to end September, like pretty red because it's red September, right? Wake me up when September ends. You know that song? It's like that for a reason. It's really a signal for investing. You know, it's really a signal for trading. It's like, hey, wake me up when September ends and we start going back up again. It's over and over and over again every single time. The RSI has broken below the moving average here, but it did it back here too. So I'm not too shocked if we see a bounce or don't see a bounce. So the direction's not super clear is what I'm trying to get at. Let's scroll down and see what's going on here. Ethereum's not looking nearly as strong as Bitcoin, which makes sense because Bitcoin dominance has been pumping lately. I can hear him. Let's go. Anyone here, PS? Damn it, Dream. You stressing me out, boy. You're stressing me out. Solana holding up pretty nicely. Matic, hopefully you can see why I entered that short. Matic's just looking like it's gonna break. Matic's looking like it's gonna bleed down. I would like to see it crash. I'd like to see it crack down, go below 50 cents, and kind of like make new lows here. Let's see it come down to like 46 cents a little bit, maybe even 41 cents. We'll see. Aptos is pumping today. We got H-Bar just chilling. Arbitrum just chilling. Aave. Ave's at the top of that channel. Aave, we almost made some really good money on. We just like got stopped out last time. XRP's at the bottom of a channel. And Quant is continuing to bleed. Let's zoom in closer. Now that we got kind of an understanding of the direction for the day, or for the direction on the daily, let's zoom in and see what we can find for a nice little day trade. Cue BCB H-Bar song. If you're watching it right now, Truth, Seek already liked, or Dream already liked it. So, Truth, you're up next. You gotta like the live stream, por favor. I'll like it as well. Oh, you just see my analytics. Quant, despite being in a longer term downtrend and like continuously bleeding on the daily chart, on the minute chart right now, it is in fact hitting all of our metrics for a nice day trade long. It's hitting all of our metrics to go long and move up. Fine, let's go. XRP, no trade. Aave, I could see a trade, maybe, but at the same time, if you were to roll over this, the middle VWAP here, if you were to roll this, it kind of looks like something like that. So it's kind of still in a downtrend, right? You guys get that. If you were to roll this, it might end up looking something like that where they merge closer. So I'm not liking Aave. No thank you on Arbitrum. H-bar, maybe. I could see the argument for H-bar, but I kind of like Quant better. Aptos, despite pumping, despite being the only bullish thing out there. Let's go, CR Studio. I like the channel. Hey, if you like the channel, hit that like button. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Matic. Oh, Aptos, despite being bullish, it's not hitting our patterns, so nah. Matic, I'm hoping for my long, I'm in a swing long right now. I'm hoping that it gets rejected here and starts going back down. That's a big spike that happened. So I might just go ahead and lock in profits and give me that peace of mind. It's like I'm up like $10 right now, I think. Yeah, I'm up $18, $17. Solana is in the uptrend, but it doesn't look like there's any volume today. Ethereum's not hitting anything. Bitcoin is bearish. Bitcoin right now actually looks like a good shorting opportunity. I know it's not the perfect pattern, but if you, like we said for one of the other ones, I forget which one. If you were to extend this line and kind of converge them, it actually would be in a good pattern for us. So I might take a short on Bitcoin, especially given the chart. We'll see. How much of a move is that though? Because I don't want to. Yeah, we'd be potentially making 0.36. So that's a little bit of a low amount. We would have to up the leverage a lot in order to hit our targets like on the head. So we might end up going back down to Quant, see if we can't find something with Quant. We'll keep an eye on Bitcoin, because if we have the opportunity to trade Bitcoin, I'd rather trade Bitcoin due to the liquidity. It's just the patterns usually play out a lot better on Bitcoin. Look at that weekend volume. Look at that weekend volume. We had zero price action on the weekends. And then all week, we had a lot of movement last week. And then the weekend happens, big money leaves, and it's just retail, like playing with the market, and it just doesn't move. Big money comes back in, instantly starts moving again. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Go short on Ethereum. What's your rationale? What's your rationale? It's looking hella weak, dude. Ethereum is looking very weak. I'm low-key expecting another leg down here. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out, but I'm low-key expecting another leg down. Get this VWAP out of here. Yeah, I think on the hourly too, Quant's looking pretty weak. The RSI is not really in our favor here so much, but as far as just looking at lines on a chart, it definitely looks like we could see that leg down. Let's go to a 3-minute, see if it looks better. Oh god, I don't want to counter trade, but like the pattern is the pattern, you know? It's a small amount. You should just stick with Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin goes down, Quant's going down, you know? Ethan, Bitcoin are both going down. Woo, peer pressure. Yeah. I want to see Bitcoin dominance. And then I want to look at the dollar, see if it's still pumping, and then check out oil. See if that's still pumping. So Bitcoin dominance is going down. That's sus. That means a lot of altcoins are pumping right now. It means a lot of altcoins are pumping, which is weird because Bitcoin's going down. You know, I agree with you. It is crazy how easy it is to fall victim to peer pressure, though, because all you did was say it once, and I'm like, yeah, let's short it. Let's short that shit. All right, let's objectively look at Bitcoin just on this information that we have right here, okay? We kind of disrespected the VWAP this morning. We were staying above it for a little. We broke below, but that came right after a huge fall off, so I'm willing to ignore this section here because the VWAP reset, so it's not like the best data right there. I want to make a continuous VWAP, like a rolling VWAP. We came down to the same lows back here, and then up to the VWAP, and then back down, and we actually put in a lower low. Now we came back up to the middle VWAP, and we're kind of chilling out here. The RSI was climbing, didn't quite reach overbought, but at the same time, didn't do it back here either, or back here. So it's not been hitting overbought territory. It's been having its reversals around 65, 67. So we can keep that in mind because we just touched it. We're breaking down below, and I kind of want to see one push back up. There it is. Okay. All right. Okay. I want to see one push back up. I think we're going to enter it right now, actually. I think we are going to enter it because I'm bearish on the day. I'm bearish on the long-term time frame. I'm bearish on the minute, on the day. Let's go. Bro, quant went straight up, now climbing down. Yeah. Quant's being a little bitch, boy. Quant's being a little bitch right now, dude. Not happy. Not happy with it. Yeah, I'm gonna enter a short on it. I'm gonna use half of my account, but I'm gonna use like 25x leverage, okay? It is we'll see how it plays out. Hopefully it plays out nicely. You guys know the drill, okay? Above last time we went above the VWAP by 0.22, so I'm going to set my stop loss up here at 0.22 above the VWAP, which is high, okay? I'm setting my stop loss at 26,183. And then my take profit is going to come down to here. 0.42, so 26.14. Probably even a little bit tighter, to be honest, because I want to get out of it if we're down there. All right, so that's what the trade's looking like right here for me personally. I hope that we make a lower low, right? Especially where I'm not going to get out of my Matic short yet. So I hope Bitcoin makes a lower low and Matic is forced down with it. I don't want to risk it though because I want to lock in those profits if we hit it. So I'm going to give it a second here while I set up to see my trades. So I'm using Bing X. I'm going to put the referral code in the Discord. Feel free to join with me. I'm telling you right now, if you make the account, go and sign up, like register your account so that you can get access to all of the coupons and all of the money that you get to trade with, because you get up to like $6,000 worth of funds to trade with and like free commissions and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about paying the fees to trade, right? I think right now I've got like $400 worth of just free stuff that they gave me. But before you deposit money, go like click yes, I want to be in this stuff, so that you get that access and then deposit your money away if you want to join. If you want to join with me. It's good. I'm enjoying it, actually. I'm enjoying it a lot. A lot more than BitGet. BitGet was confusing. Get out of here. Get out of here. Standard futures, Bitcoin. Let's see what you're saying. Bro, Quant Street, yeah. Check 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin. Yo, good thing I'm not fucking got in that trade yet. The hell? Yeah, we're finding support here. On the hourly, 100% found support. Did you guys get in that trade before me? Rip. Liquidation below. I already got stopped out. Goddamn, Seek. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. That thing popped off real quick. Should have gone with Quant. That thing popped off real quick, dude. Yeah. What the hell is going on, man? Are we having a full U-turn here? I don't know that. Whoa. Who the fuck was using this computer? I'm not on my computer, so I don't remember the password to get into Signals. Do one of you guys have Signals? I wouldn't quite have gotten knocked here yet, but... Should we enter the short here? I feel like we'd get liquidated so quickly. Maddox eating away my money right now. Yeah. I'm up $5 on Matic now. Why is the market going up? Liquidation is happening. Instantly, yeah. Literally, dead ass. How long did that take? Well, we were like right here. I was saying I want to see if we that took 10 minutes. We went straight to my liquidation. That's funny as fuck. Probably shouldn't. I don't know if YouTube cares about swearing as much as TikTok does, but I probably should refrain from it. That's very funny. Yeah, everything looks like it's bouncing up right now. Like we said when we first got into this, on the daily, while it does look like it's a bearish setup, we are at that area of contention that makes it look like we could bounce here. So we got to keep things in mind when we're trading, right? The 4 hour looks meh. Obviously, we're having a bit of a bounce here, so the 4 hour is clearly getting some support. Crypto Dream, did you enter that trade too? RIP, buddy. Sorry. Not financial advice. It is like we still could see that drop back down. Back here, I said that's why I put my stop loss up there. 0.22. We had 0.22% above the VWAP. We went right here. We went 0.24. So I thought I was being safe. Look at that. The market, like, I gotta figure out a better implication of where to put my stop losses because this happens a lot. I'll put it, and the market's like, The liquidity, the market makers, the liquidity of the market knows where people are thinking to put their stop losses, and it's just like, skirt, skirt. We're gonna see. We're gonna wait and see, okay? Not really having a divergence with the RSI yet, so I want a short still. I still want to get into a short. I just gotta wait for a better setup now because now things are different. Now things look slightly different. Maybe we come look for a setup on Quant. Let's roll through this again really quick. Why does Ethereum look so choppy, dude? I need a better ETH. I need a better ETH. it's the same one. Whatever. We could make an argument to just trade with the highest performing thing. I could make a very strong argument that Aptos is what we should be getting into. That's some pretty crazy returns, actually. For our strategy at a 10x leverage, you're looking at 30% gains if we just come back up to the top here. Which is what it's been doing over and over again. But you also got to have the stomach to withstand if we, like back here, we went below the VWAP by 2.5%. So you would have to have the stomach to withstand a solid like 25x or 25% down. Told you ETH is save. Why is it ARB so weak? I'm keeping an eye out on the longer term and take it with a grain of salt. I'm keeping an eye out on Aave on the longer term. Okay? I want to see, we might pump up and go above this, right? Like we do each time. We might pump up and go above it. If not, I'd keep an eye on it, see if it's not going to hold this. Because you're looking at 16% returns. Say you don't catch it and you only get in like down here. You're looking at like potentially 10% of a move that you'd be able to capture on an Aave short. So like just keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled, right? Be ready. Keep looking at it. Let's see. If Bitcoin is to make another leg down, then you guys better have exposure to some shorts. You guys better be hedging some of your positions at the very least. It's looking kind of weak on the 3-minute. It's looking kind of weak. Should we shoot? Yo, chat, should we get in? Guys, should we get in? Should we do a short on Bitcoin right here? You think we'll get stopped out? What do you guys think? There's a real possibility we get stopped out, but should we just do it for the memes? While I have you here, I'm going down to Fort Lauderdale. I'm going down to Miami for a crypto conference. It's being hosted by Cryptos R Us. It's Flux. I believe it's Cypherpunks. So I won't have a computer. I will not have a computer. I'm going to try and go live on TikTok. Probably won't be able to trade too much, but like I said in the beginning, in the Discord, I'm going to go live as much as I can and give signals is what I meant to say. I'm going to try and give as many signals as I can to what I'm thinking for trading if I'm taking any trades. But where my time is going to be really allocated to trying to network and grow my community, grow the potential for reward in my community, us, those investors, I might not be able to actually go live too much. Your short BNB, if it holds the 50-day EMA on the 15 time frame, then I think it could bounce up. BNB liquidation's done. These liquidations are done. I don't really like BNB right now. Back here, that looks clean as hell. That looks clean as hell, dude. You got like 2 full days of perfect shorting. Then a day of meh. A day of meh. A day of meh. And now it's like not really looking like my type of setup. The liquidations being done is good to know, though. The liquidations done being good to know. Oh, damn it. Truth. What the fuck? Truth. Subscribe right now. I thought you were already subscribed, my boy. I thought you were already subscribed, my boy. Right now. Do it. Press that button. Hit the bell, too, while you're at it. I think Dream's got the bell on. Dream, do you have the bell on? You should. I literally clicked the button, like, create live stream. I went onto it to get the URL to paste. I went on it to get the URL to paste it into the Discord, and Dream was already there. He's like, yeah, no fucking way, boy, no way. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. We should have, guys. You led me astray. We should have entered it. Look at, we're bouncing. I'm gonna look right here to see if we don't find support on the VWAP right now. This could be a change of direction. I want to see something like this. If we see this play out again, where it comes down and it immediately goes below the VWAP, I'm entering. All right. If we are chilling above the VWAP, I might not enter. But if we go straight down below, I'm entering a short. Congrats on the opportunity. Thank you. It's actually kind of funny because I came to hang out with Lucas here. I'm in his studio. You see like the Blockchain Boy logo everywhere. I came out down to hang out with him for like a week, maybe like 5 days. An extended weekend trip, basically. I came on Friday. I was going to stay till like Tuesday or Wednesday. And then he's like, hey, I got you VIP tickets to come to the Flux conference. I was like, okay, when is it? Like, what? Why didn't you tell me? I would have packed better clothes. And he's like, it's 11 days from now. And I was like, dude, I don't want to drive that 3-hour trip back and forth. I don't want to drive that 3-hour trip back and forth. Are you kidding? So I stayed. And it's been a blast. It's been a riot. It actually has been a really good time. So the 15 minutes still has 10 minutes to end. I would like to see it ending below the VWAP. Everything right now is just waiting to go below the VWAP. All noties. I thought Aaron was going to be chilling in here with us. That's what I'm saying. Thank you, Truth. Thank you. You get it. You get it. Suffer through VIP. You get it. You get it. It's actually going to be nuts. Do you guys know Cryptos R Us? Can you guys see all of the pages that I've had open? I've been doing like actual, like kind of unnecessary research. Oh shit, it's Monday. Okay, this is probably the best alpha. If true, this is the best alpha I'm ever going to give you. All right? I swear on my life. If this is a true thing, this is the best alpha. I'm going to call and figure it out today just to see. If you go to Great Value and you get any Great Value drink, on the package it says return empty bottle for free refill or refund. My girlfriend noticed it on the bottle. She saw it. She saw a TikTok video and then she saw it on the bottle for a sparkling water. Great Value from Walmart has something on the bottles that say bring empty bottle back and get a refund or a refill. I'm going to call the number on the thing today and make a video on it because that's nutty. That's nuts. That's actually kind of insane if that's a true thing. Also, shout out to this guy, Crypto Archie. If you're looking for altcoins, that guy knows a thing or two. This guy's putting on the conference. He's live right now. This guy's putting on the conference. And the Cryptos R Us Plus, because Josh and Lucas both are there with AJ from Hit Network. Cryptos R Us. Do I have Cryptos R Us Plus? They're such a brand new channel that it's like not showing up places. Yeah, because they're doing all these together. They're putting on a conference and it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a really good time. I hope that I get to meet him, guys. If I actually got to meet George from Cryptos R Us, I might shit myself. I know that's a little dramatic, but like, dude, that's crazy. I'm about to be at Walmart. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I checked out BNB. I was not a fan of it for my strategy. But hey, look at that. See, like, okay, this is why I didn't like it for my strategy. All of this time, we were in a bull market on the day. We were bullish on the day, right? For all that time at the beginning of this daily chart. And then we broke below and had a period below. This is the period that I like paying attention to. And it's just not something that aligns with my trading strategy. I hope you're making money, dude. Are you in it right now, CR Studio? Are you in it? Bitcoin, however, is something that's fitting my strategy. Realistically, quant is fitting my strategy, but I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Something about it just wasn't sitting right with me. I think we might enter the trade. I think we might enter the short here and give it some time. I just kind of want to take a trade. I want to be in a trade. So I think we might just get in the trade. It's kind of looking healthy though. It's kind of looking healthy. Do I know SMC in terms of the coin or what? Is it a short for anything else? SMC, this little guy? SMC Finance? No, I'm not familiar with it. Sheet, what the hell? Is it this brand new? It's 2 days old? I'm not familiar with it in the slightest. Smart money concept. Nah. What is it? Enlighten us. Enlighten us. Oh, imagine we trade Flux. Let's see what Flux is up to. Should we short the Flux coin before going into the conference? Oh, God. Dude. Ugh. From a technical standpoint, this looks like doo-doo poo-poo. It's low-key starting to roll over. You see that roll over on the daily. Also, we had a peak here. Someone just tried to call me and hung up instantly. We had a peak here and a peak there. So it's kind of lining up. Should we enter in a short? That'd be funny. Alright, I'm going to enter into a short. I'm going in with half of my account. It's risky. It's not the perfect setup, but we're going to put some stop loss and take profits. We're going to enter, and we're going to see how it goes, baby. How it goes. Sell. I'm on spot. That's why. I was like, what's going on? New bonus. A $2 bonus. They really just tried to trick me, dude. A $2 bonus. How did it go to voicemail? Somebody called me and hung up instantly and it went to voicemail. Yo, what is going on? I feel like they literally updated the app yesterday. Cosmo. It's about to save us from entering something we shouldn't enter. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright. I feel like I'm being a degen right now. Wasn't me this time. That's right. I'll listen to the. Honestly, it's probably the vet being like, "Hey, you still haven't brought in your cat's shit." Like, yeah, I know. That's because we dewormed him ourselves because you guys weren't doing it. Both of our cats had two different types of parasitic worms, which means that I probably have a parasitic worm. I know you didn't want to know that, but now you do. I might not take a trade. I feel like I might be being a little bit of a degen. Like getting a little bit of FOMO with it. The last thing I want to do is enter into this week on the only trade I take being a losing trade. I'd rather honestly not even trade at all. Everything just looks so good. Like shorting XRP right now. Just takes a minute to set it all up. You got like 0.6% returns. That Matic long. Everything looks like it's about to fall. We'll see. SMC used by institutions. Nice. Yeah, because I said if we went straight down, I would. But we're not really going straight down. We're kind of jumping around a little bit. Which means we might see a bounce here and change of direction. Which is not what I wanted to see. Aptos, though, if we do go bullish, though, Aptos is probably going to continue its rally. Let's look actually at Aptos for a minute. See if it's worth the risk. Not really, bruh. Aptos just pumped up 15, 16%. Having a little bit of a retracement. If it were to continue this pattern, right? If it were to continue this sharp incline, that'd be nice. But the odds of that are pretty slim. Yeah, I don't think we're going to enter a trade, and I apologize for that, but the market dictates what we do, right? The market is here to tell us when to trade and when not to trade. I feel like I'm forcing this out of a feeling of obligatory fiduciary responsibilities, right? Whatever it is. I feel like I need to enter a trade for you guys, and I think that my account health would do better if I just accepted that maybe this is not the time to enter a trade. So, with that being said, if I do decide to enter this trade, like if we do right now fall off a cliff and go below that VWAP, remember that VWAP's down here chilling. If we do fall off a cliff, I will post it in the Discord and let you guys know. Otherwise, you can assume we should probably even close out of the Matic short right now, although it's been open for days. Let's do one final analysis on Matic, see if it's something I should continue to hold. Otherwise, I'll close it, take my 10 bucks of profit, and this was a good little morning session. It's the best time to look for these types of trades. I generally do it just at market open. Usually what I find is that the trade setups will happen anytime between like 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard and like 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. Anytime in that little time frame is where I feel like the setup is the best. Too early in the day, too early in the charting day, and it's not that great of a setup. Like if we go look here. Generally speaking, when the VWAP is reset, it's not that good of a setup. It's only a good setup from like here until about where we're trading. So this is the tail end of it. But that's when you usually have the most reliability for the setup, is morning trading sessions. You can kind of see like it's choppy up here, but then like if you traded it, you would have made some money back there. You know? This is good, but sometimes it shakes us out later in the day. That's my 2 cents on it. But really, whenever you see the setup, you're chilling. Whenever you see the setup and understand the concept of it. Google SMC, bruh. Thank you. Put us onto that alpha, boy. Put us onto that alpha. Thank you. Let me do a quick analysis on Maddox. See if it's something I should close out of my trade for. Oh, we never even looked at the Dixie. I gotta look at the Dixie as well. I gotta just see how rates are affecting us right now. Dude, it just like, it looks like we're bearish. It looks like we're falling off a cliff. You can see that trend line here. You can clear as day see that line here. A little bit too. We're getting support here, I think. I was hoping we'd see that crash down to here, down to that 46 cents. That's why I entered it at all. I think this daily candle I'll be watching because this looks like a continuation. I like yesterday's red candle. So if we can see this candle today close red, I'll keep it. Otherwise, I might just exit today. I will probably be exiting this trade today. If it's a green, if it's red, I will hold it until that green candle. Let's check out the dollar real quick. The dollar is rallying. The dollar is rallying. It's putting in another high. It's putting in another high. We had that peak back here in March. That's sus, dude. You want, like, I don't like that. That means the oil's probably rallying as well. Oil's probably doing well. Everything else is doing poor today. Oh, oil's not doing well. But the dollar lags oil for some reason. Last check on BNB. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oil looks like it's peaking. The RSI looks good. This looks, for a short, this looks like a really good opportunity, actually. So if you wanted to go long on, I forget the name of the inverse future that I used to trade for oil, but I would expect a little bit of a pullback, probably just down to here, like a 2.5% pullback. But that is they have 3x leveraged stuff, so WTI, not WTI. I forget the name of it. Hell yeah, dude. We should have gone in BNB. We should have gotten BNB. No, even if this makes you, hopefully you're in it, dude. Hopefully you're in it. Hopefully you took that trade you told us to take. You said it, you called it out like up here, I think. You'd be up 3.33%. Take that profit soon on that small day trading swing trade stuff, right? All right, we're entering. I'm entering Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm entering. Fuck you guys. And then I'm going. And then I gotta go get ready to leave. So I'm entering with half of my account. Ready? Dun 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 dun. Open short. Go. Order filled. Order effing filled, boy. I sat there and talked about it for so long, and now we're in it. Cool. You know the drill. The lines, I'm not changing the lines at all. I'm probably going to raise this guy up. No, I'm not changing the lines at all. Same take profits, same stop loss. Let me set them up right now. That way I don't have to think about it and I can just go about my day. You know? You know what I'm saying? Take profit on 100% of the position. Well, probably gonna get stop loss. That's all right. 26,183. 26,020. All right, lit. Cool. I'll see you guys after I lose $35 on this. Yeah, 100. I think I would not recommend getting in this trade. I'll keep you guys posted in Discord though. Ready, break. Your time's your most valuable asset. Hopefully this was worth investing into. I think it was a little entertaining. You guys let me know though. Again, I'll try and go live on TikTok. I will not be able to go live on YouTube. So you're gonna have to feel free, look for patterns yourself and put them in the Discord, and I will be there to respond with my 2 cents, and then you do with it as you wish. Take it with a grain of salt. You're about to watch me get my ass kicked on this one trade, so take it with a grain of salt. I will see you guys as soon as I can see you. As soon as I'm back in my element, we're going fucking hard, dude. I'm so motivated lately. I am so motivated right now.